Baby, don't make me so shy. So, papasok na kami. How much is our ticket, baby?
1,500 each.
So, yung ticket per person is 1,500 each. Hi! I'm hungry though, baby.
Yeah, but
I'm hungry.
I don't know if there's anything to eat over here.
Maybe later? Yeah. Let's enjoy the place first. Yan. So mga Swissy, gusto ko kasi mag-take ng picture dito kaso ang dami pang tao. One more. One more. Okay. Hey, finish. Baby. Ang dilim ko. Why is it dark? It's dark.
Because it's dark.
Hi.
Hello.
I call them Swissy now. Yeah. Nung bata. So, dito sa labas, kita yung konti pa lang na illumination. Pero, yeah? What is it?
This is just a souvenir shop.
Na namang nagmamagic. We can buy food first because I'm really hungry. Right, mga Swissy? Kakain muna kami mga Swissy kasi sobrang nagugutom na ako talaga. Umalis kami, hindi pa ako kumakain. So, pinili namin siomay na lang. So, ayan. Siomay na lang since gusto ko naman ng siomay. Kasi kung pipiliin ko mag-kebab mga Swissy, tignan nyo naman. Sobrang haba ng pila nang bumibili ng kebab. Kaya dito na lang. Kami na agad. Just thinking if this one is really hot or not. It's delicious, baby.
Delicious.
I swear. Oh.
Can I get a bite?
Okay. I swear, I love the taste. Wala kaming makitang vending machine. Nauuhaw na ako, mga Swissy. Yes, please. Just there. It's fine. Yeah, I think they are selling drinks as well. Hindi pa kami nagsistart. Well, I think they have a show. Over there, no? Just the magic. Probably magician. Yeah. They are so cute. So yung mga kids sumasagot din sa kanya kapag ka nagsasalita siya ng seno. Ang cute. So, pupunta na kami dun sa mismong location ng illumination. So, pababa pala siya dito. Ayan, dito siya. Pinababa kami dito. Ayan, tapos dun sa end of the tunnel siguro, nandun yung maraming illumination. Wow! Oh, it's like water. Ang cute! Wow! It's like water. And you have a magic. Oh, ang ganda. So cute over here, Lovey. Anyways, para siyang tunnel with lots of LED lights. Kaya ang sobrang cute niya. Woo!
Careful.
Natapak ako ng dalawa, mga Swissy. So, eto yung nasa taas. Yung mismong nasa race track, mga Swissy. Pretty though.
No.
It's pretty here. Joy Van Torre. It's very cold.
I thought there would be horses.
Oh, baby, it's nighttime.
Because everyone is standing there.
Ay, ang daming tao. There are lots of people, mga Swissy. I want to take a picture over there, but there are lots of people. Paano na? Paano pa? Hi, mga Swissy. It's so pretty. Hi. Alec.
Stop teasing.
Alec.
No.
Alec.
No.
This one.
No.
Ayaw niya. Nahiya talaga siya. I thought this is the last. So mga Swissy, ito kasi yung New Year celebration namin kasi nga may pasok ako last. So may pasok ako December 31, tapos uwi ko January 1 kasi panggabi ako. So tinulog ko lang yung January 1. Tapos 2, is today January 2?
Yeah.
Yeah, so ngayon kami nagse-celebrate ng New Year. I'm just telling them today is our celebration of New Year because I was at work. So they have this area na puno ng wisteria, mga Swissy. Ang cute! Ayan yung normal kapag tumayo. Ari! Can you stand properly?
No, I'm too tall.
Yeah. What cutie. Wisteria. And it's eyes and teeth and life. Isn't that the one?
I don't even know that.
Like whenever I make my posts, I group all this stuff together, then I take which photos,
There.
Yes!
edit videos.
So last nila mga Swissy is Rose area. Hi, Lovey. Put it out. Ang cute. I love pink. Also white. And also blue.
I forgot.
What do you prefer?
Right.
Red?
No.
No, I mean the color.
Red.
Pink.
Red. That's what I prefer.
Okay. So, pababa na kami ulit, mga Swissy. Papasok na kami ulit dun sa tunnel. So, hindi siya ganun kalaki. Pero, sulit naman. Maganda naman yung lugar. Ayan. So, ito yung tunnel again. Mas maganda yung unang tunnel, mga Swissy. Meron sila dito. Maliit na horse. Ayun. Ang cute. Come here. Hi. Hi. So, kakain na naman kami, mga Swissy. Where are we gonna sit?
Where do you want?
So, orange juice na naman tayo, mga Swissy. Where do you wanna sit? Orange. Kain na naman kami, mga Swissy. Non-stop eating. So, maghubad muna tayo ng mga jacket, mga Swissy, because it's very cold outside. Pero, sobrang init dito sa loob. Kain. Can I get?
Of course.
Because I know you're not gonna eat it, though. It's delicious. Libre seafood. Free seafood for me. Wow.
It's full of it.
You didn't see it?
No.
I think you thought that was a meatballs. So delicious. So, tapos na kami mga shal, mga Swissy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye again.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.